yun lang po. I think that wraps up everything for... Sorry about that. Nalaglag yung phone, yung camera ko. My name is Joestarscream and we're gonna do an unboxing video for Realme Narzo 20. Yeah! So yan, lalapag na natin siya dyan. There we go. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. At igit na natin. So this is actually the front part of the box. And right side, left side, top part of the box, Realme logo, and the QR code. Back part of the box, it's actually saying the QR code and some other details, the battery, processor, quick charge, and the type of camera. And what right now I'm actually using the ito pa pala, the details here, 64 gig and some other stuff. I think that's confidential. I hope that wasn't shown there. So the phone that I'm actually using right now is actually Realme 5 Pro. So nakita niyo naman maganda pa rin yung quality niya. Hindi pa to yung maximum na quality ng video. So this is just the 1080 quality. Alright, so let's go ahead and move forward with the video of the unboxing of Realme Narzo 20. So I actually opened this up with a cutter para it would be easily opened. And there you go. So first off, we're seeing here the welcome to Realme family. Alright, there we go. So may mga noise background pa sa aso. On the background, sorry about that. That's our neighbor dog. Wants a Realme phone too. So yeah, there we go. This one is actually this one is actually used for the pin is actually used for opening the phone. The phone is actually Blue Blade. Sorry, I didn't show that because there are other stuff na nakalagay dito which is supposed to be confidential. And let's go ahead and check this out. So this is, I believe, the manual and the warranty. Okay. Quick guide. All right, there you go. And information, important guide. So let's try to browse up a bit and see what it is. So this phone was released since September 2020, around September 2020. I remember I hosted the event for Realme. Doesn't say much stuff there. And medyo nalito lang ako. So let's go ahead and put that on the side. And this one, information guide, statement, some other stuff. Nothing really important. So let's put it back here para medyo organized. So let's put all the stuff that here. And then there we go. Let's go ahead and check out the phone. Ooh. It's a little bit heavier than what I have, the Realme 5 Pro. So, wow, ang ganda ng kulay. Actually, I wanted this one. Ooh, nice. Nice. Ooh. Wow, ang ganda ng feel. Ayan, triple camera. Wow, ganda. Ganda siya. May texture. Nararamdaman siya. Ooh, nice. And, ooh. So, yeah, there we go. That's the front part. Nakikita yung camera ko. It's a little bit dirty. Wait lang. I can't make punas-punas. Na yan. So, ba't kaya ganun? Okay. So, we're gonna focus onto that. There we go. So, that is how it looks like. Manipis lang siya. I mean, it's a little bit thicker than the Realme 5 Pro. So, let's see. It's on the top part. Nothing there. Nothing in there. Teka lang. I'd like to make a focus onto that. Let me see if I can do a focus. It's actually hard to focus on that part right there. But anyway, moving forward, wala naman actually dyan mga holes. On the left side, this is actually where the pin comes in. So, ayan, yung kanina, this one right here. Aha! So, yeah, better remove that. So, ayan, to open it up. So, that's the purpose of it, okay? And what else? That's the only hole that is. This is actually for the dual SIM. Dual SIM siya eh. So, you can actually put a card slot up to 256 gigabytes as what I've checked. So, this is the power and the volume. And then, of course, the camera we have there. The front camera, I it's actually the camera is actually 8 megapixels is what I know. Ayan. So medyo makapal siya. Ayan, Narzo 20. Sorry medyo may ganun pala. Designed by Realme, may ganun pala. Matanggal ba to? No, it's not. Oh, so it's nandiyan na talaga. Wow, nice. So, wow. Ayan, may texture siya. Really nice. Bottom part, of course, the speakers and where you can actually put the... Ay, hindi siya nakaka-focus. I can't focus the where they go? Oh, there yan. So it needs to be a little bit far, back up a bit. So para makita. So yun mo sa dito yung mga headphones, and then sa Type C for the charger. So battery again, it's 6,000 milliamperes. It's actually bigger than the sa phone ko, which is 4035. Yung processor niya, I've checked, is 2 gig. And sa akin kasi 2.3. So Realme 5 Pro is it's actually has a better processor. So what's this one? Okay, nothing in there. Let's put it here. And this is the charger. Okay. There you go. And then the cable, of course. Yeah. And then what is it? Wala na. Oh, I think that's it. Wait lang. Baka I think I might have missed out something. Let me see. Ang ganda ng presentation ng box niya. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for the what's inside the box. Wait lang. Sorry, let me just make a double check here. Kasi ayan, there's a slot here. So not really sure if there's something inside, but I guess that's gonna be it. Wala na. Yeah, there you go. Wala na siyang laman. Ayun, dumaan yung tricycle. Mukhang kukuha na rin yata siya ng Realme 5. Realme Narzo 20. So, yun lang. Processor niya, tapos yung resolution niya. Screen resolution, sa what I've checked, is 720 by 1600. So, yun lang po. I think that wraps up everything for... Sorry about that. Nalaglag yung phone, yung camera ko. Hindi kasi maayos yung setup nito eh. So anyway, that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching. Yari-yari does it.